Hi friends! Today we are going to draw and color a magical rainbow unicorn. Get your pencils and crayons ready. Let's start. First, let's draw the unicorn's face. Draw a big round shape, nice and smooth. Now, let's draw the body. Add a big, soft shape behind the face, like a gentle oval. Our unicorn is starting to appear. Next, draw a small smiling mouth. Now add a tiny nose hole. So cute! Let's draw one ear on top of the head. Make it pointy and soft. Perfect. Now draw the unicorn's beautiful hair. Make it flow down like waves. Swoosh, swoosh. Time for the magical horn. Draw a pointy horn on top. Now add two big shiny eyes. Make them nice and round. Let's add a special mark on the unicorn's side. Draw a circle and little shapes around it like sunshine, so magical. Now draw a long flowing tail. Make it wavy and fun, just like the hair. Let's color the horn with rainbow colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Now color the special mark. Make it bright and magical. Time for rainbow hair. Color each part with different bright colors. So beautiful. Now color the body. Let's make it a lovely teal color, nice and smooth. Finally, color the tail with rainbow colors too. Wow, our unicorn looks amazing. Look, our unicorn is coming to life. It's moving, smiling, and swishing its rainbow tail. Hello, little unicorn. Great job, friends. You did an amazing drawing today.